Hey fellow Dota 2 fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to display your network information and FPS in Dota 2. To see your network information, first you have to click on Settings, which is right here, and then click on Options, go to Advanced Options, and on the right side of your screen, you will see an option called Display Network Information. Select that. Now you should be able to see your network information and FPS whenever in your game. Displaying ping, packet loss, and FPS in Dota 2 helps players monitor their connection quality, assess server performance, detect lag, and optimize settings for smoother gameplay. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!